So Lucas informs Cyrus and Darius that someone has been seen in the house, and Lucas does not know the person who was seen in the house. And Cyrus and Darius have not invited anyone, and Cyrus and Darius are alert. And Cyrus and Darius want to find out who is trying to break into the house. And Cyrus and Darius come out of the house and try to find him, but no one is looking outside. And then Cyrus and Darius find the garage light on. And Cyrus and Darius head towards the garage, and Cyrus and Darius think that maybe they forgot to turn off the garage light, but then it is seen that the Lambo is turned on in the garage and someone is inside the Lambo, and it turns out that the crazy guy is sitting inside the Lambo. And Cyrus and Darius try to get the crazy guy out of the Lambo, but the crazy guy does not come out of the Lambo, and this person is trying to steal the Lambo, but Cyrus blocks the way for the crazy guy to escape. And then Darius gets the spare key of the car, and the car is unlocked, and the crazy guy gets out of the car and escape. And Cyrus and Darius lock the garage back up properly, and Cyrus and Darius get in the car and go to catch the crazy guy. And Darius is very angry with this crazy guy, and then it is seen that the crazy guy is running away. And Cyrus does not want to let him go, but the crazy guy escapes in his car. And Cyrus and Darius also chase him, but the crazy guy is not looking on the road. And Darius thinks that the crazy guy must have managed to escape. And then Cyrus and Darius come back to the Lambo to check. And Cyrus hopes that the crazy guy has not damaged the Lambo. Then Cyrus and Darius start checking the Lambo from all the sides properly, and the Lambo looks fine from the outside. Then the Lambo is checked from the inside. And Darius starts the Lambo and checks it, and Darius does not find anything wrong with the Lambo. And then Darius finds the wallet of the crazy guy in the Lambo. And this wallet belongs to crazy guy, and it can lead Cyrus and Darius to crazy guy. And Cyrus and Darius get crazy guy ID, and Cyrus and Darius think they should go to his house and catch crazy guy. And Cyrus thank God that no one has been seriously hurt. And then Darius locks Lambo back in, and Darius and Cyrus prepare to go to crazy guy house to catch him.